Addiction is the price we pay for the necessary things we spend our time to. This video campaign to spread awareness about internet addiction. On the last 7 to 8 years ago, people only spent 3 to 4 hours on internet. But now, people spend their time over 6 hours or more per day. It shows that people using internet is getting worse day by day. This is a worrying figure since we're allowing ourselves to spend so much time on various pointless online activities. Philippines is one of the highest rate examples in internet addiction. According to the news article of Inquiry.net, Manila, Philippines has 83% of Filipinos are users of the internet, but many of them don't use it for learning. There are 21 internet addictive behavior and it is common among adolescents in nation countries. Problematic internet use is prevalent and characterized by risky cyber behaviors. We are at the stage in life where we are exploring a lot about life and about ourselves as adolescents. Changes are happening and the customary practices are disappearing.
Sa videong ito na ipinadala sa aming programa, makikita ang 6 na taong gulang na si Melissa. Hindi niya tunay na pangalan. Tulala, hindi makausap, nakatabingi. Ang nanginginig nitong labi. Ang kanyang kaliwang braso, hindi rin maigalaw. Ayon sa paglalarawan ng kanyang mga magulang, para raw itong na-stroke. At ang pinagsususpetsahan nilang dahilan, ang sobra-sobra raw nitong paggamit ng gadgets.